10 people, if they could choose one word to describe me, what would it be?
Brilliant.
Striving.
Resilient.
Dedicated.
Tenacious.
Entrepreneurial.
Compassionate.
Driven.
Creative.
Courageous.
And Tom was off, doing God knows what, with God knows who. And I asked the nurse if it was a girl or a boy. She said girl. And I wept. I'm glad it's a girl, and I hope she'll be a fool. It's all a girl in this world can be. It's a beautiful little fool. The precious things in life fade so fast. This is my office at my company, Karoline Consulting, where I work 5 days a week after school performing ticket sales analysis for 35 concerts, a company that promotes country, jazz, pop, and classic rock concerts and comedy shows in theaters and performing arts centers. This opportunity has allowed me to develop many skills such as accounting, analyzing data, and computer software. What is so amazing is that I have set up everything so that I may work remotely from anywhere. One of the places that I currently volunteer is the Humane Society of North Texas, Wagon Tails Adoption Center in Benbrook, Texas, where I volunteer each weekend assisting with animal care, facility tours, fundraising, and donation collections. This is Lucy, one of the adorable bunnies that I adopted from the Humane Society of North Texas.